Even after deer season, the work is never done. Last spring had a heavy storm come through here and it blew a lot of trees down on my neighbor's property, and it took a few of ours out as well. Well, now that it's February and deer season's over, it's time to get started cutting on this stuff. It'll produce good firewood come next fall, and we'll have plenty of time to season it. For those looking for some PPE, I'll go ahead and leave a link to what I got. I just got these sets off Amazon. Pretty inexpensive, but it will save me if something really bad happens. But got all that on. Now it's time to get the chainsaw started. Well, it may not look like a whole lot, but got the cleanup started. Plenty of area to walk through here, get an ATV. I got a full truckload of wood now, so I want to take that back up to the house, get it empty, and then come down here and cut some smaller stuff. Before we get started again, I need to go ahead and probably throw some more fuel in this thing. Hopefully about half of it has ran out. If not, I'll have to adjust the oil level a little bit. Yep, about half oil and pretty empty tank. Well, you hate to see it, but some good white oak got knocked down. This is probably from 2 years ago. And then I got one right over here that got knocked down from that previous storm last spring. Now there is some rotten areas of this, but we'll cut out what's good. We'll take that white oak home and make good use of it at least. The rest of the treetops and stuff I'm gonna leave here. It'll be good habitat. Squirrels love climbing on that stuff. And even the hogs will kind of root in underneath it. So some of this is okay wood. There's a little bit of rot at the edges, but even going back here, you can see there's already rot coming down. So I want to hold off on the rest of this tree, just let it decompose naturally. Go work on the one behind it. Another good thing about cutting right after deer season, you can kind of survey the property, especially when you don't have a whole lot of green around to block your view. But yeah, these pigs right behind this hog, like I mentioned, dug up and probably slept around it. That's something they definitely do with down trees. not too bad. Got quite a large area clear. Got everything to the small stuff. Like I said, I'll leave these limbs here, get into areas where not really just fine cutting, but I gotta pick all of this good wood up now. Well, this is the last log for today. Let's take a look and see the difference over there. Then we'll take this up and stack it at the house. Well, it's certainly a lot better than what it was. One tree down, 100 more blown over trees to go. But you know what? We're taking reclaimed trees that were going to rot anyway. Instead of letting them go to waste, since we can't sell it for timber, we got some firewood out of it, and we cleared the area so we can better see game near the stands that we have. Well, that's everything we got cut today. In a few weeks, I'll come back and split it, but there are still plenty of trees to go. If you like this content, leave a like. I'm curious to know if it's something you do enjoy, then I'll make more of it.